Today, we will explain how to configure the Multiple Island Series DMC so that it can send its data to the UVIX software via Wi-Fi network. Firstly, lift the cover on the multiple input that hides the reset button needed for the procedure. Then, supply power to the valve island, and, using a tool that passes through the hole, press the reset button for at least 5 seconds. After pressing of the reset button, the valve island generates a Wi-Fi network visible from a PC named Camozzi Wifi. Connect to this network using the password Camozzi. Once connected, open a web browser and enter the 192.168.1.1 IP. A screen for configuring the Wi-Fi connection data will appear. In this screen, it is possible to enter 3 specific details: the APSS ID, which is the name of the Wi-Fi network you want our device to connect to, the AP password, which is the password for the aforementioned network, and the FEP address, which is the IP address of the device connected to the network to which you want to send the exchange data visible on UVIX. After setting these 3 details, click on the Save button and the device will automatically restart. Upon restarting, the island will be ready for communication.